Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to increase touch sensitivity on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, some games may require fast and precise tapping or swiping actions. So, increasing touch sensitivity can enhance gaming performance by making these actions more responsive. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, you have to go to the settings on your device. So now find out display menu and tap on the option. After that, scroll down this page until you find touch sensitivity option. Lastly, turn it on like this to increase touch screen sensitivity on your device. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to increase touch screen sensitivity on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.